Look at that form. Training video. I think I need a camera training video. Bored himself. Making his move. America, fuck yeah. Here's his wrist shot. That could have been a goal. Is he gonna go shoot on the goalie? Is he gonna, no. Oh, flips it. Flips the biscuit. Look at this powerhouse. Look out, Ovechkin. Almost loses it, regains control. Thompson, it's in the net. It's in the net. Sharks win. Sharks win. Sharks win. Yeah. How you feel on T-Dub?
I'm ready to be on the first line.
The first line of the Pee Wee girls team.
Well, I'm coming to your team.
I'll call that damn boy. One more shot, and Jones has to utilize his last 5 minutes. Loses control.